Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, confirm the panel model and photograph every connection so you can restore feeders correctly. Next, label each circuit and remove cover screws. Once labeled, shut off the main breaker and verify zero voltage with a non-contact tester and multimeter. Don't trust visual checks. Make sure household members know the outage and post a lockout tag. Wear gloves, safety glasses, and have replacement breakers, bus stabs, and permits ready before you touch bus or neutral connections. With the panel de-energized, isolate each branch circuit by confirming off and then loosen lugs one at a time. Do not free multiple live conductors simultaneously. Once a breaker is out, inspect the bus and neutral bar for pitting or corrosion and clean, or replace any compromised parts. This prevents hot spots later. Install new breakers in sequence, seating them fully on the bus, then route conductors neatly to avoid crossing or heat trapping. Tighten each lug to the manufacturer torque and recheck terminations. Once all breakers are installed, close the panel cover and reattach any removed bonding or covers. You can re-energize the main breaker, but do it slowly. Energize branch breakers one at a time while testing corresponding circuits and appliances. Measure voltages across phases and to neutral, then load the system and check for any hot lugs or unusual vibration after 15 to 30 minutes. Heat indicates loose connections. If a breaker trips, shut down. Re-torque lugs to spec and replace any break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.